Expanding your PS4 Slim storage, the how-to guide.
Hello there, gaming aficionados. In this video, we're going to tackle a common question for all you PS4 Slim owners. Can I expand the game storage capacity of my PS4 Slim 500GB console? The quick answer is, yes, you absolutely can. We're going to walk you through exactly how to do it, so stick around.
What do I need to expand my PS4 Slim storage?
First things first, you're going to need an external hard drive. Make sure it's a USB 3.0 type and has a capacity between 250 GB and 8 TB. Any brand will work as long as it meets these criteria. You'll also need your PS4 Slim console, and a computer might come in handy if you need to format the external hard drive.
How do I set up my external hard drive?
Now, let's dive into setting up your external hard drive. This is a two-step process. 1. Formatting your external hard drive. This might be necessary if your hard drive is not already in the correct format. PS4 requires the drive to be in ex-FAT or FAT32 format. You can format your hard drive using a computer. 2. Connecting your external hard drive to the PS4 Slim. Once your hard drive is correctly formatted, you can connect it to your PS4 Slim via one of the USB ports.
How do I use my new storage space?
With the hard drive connected, your PS4 should automatically recognize the new storage. 1. Go to Settings, then Devices, then USB storage devices on your console's dashboard. 2. Select the connected hard drive and choose Format as Extended Storage. Once completed, this will become your default location for installing new games and apps. Don't worry, you can always change this in the storage settings. And there you have it. Expanding the storage capacity of your PS4 Slim is as simple as that. With this handy new setup, you're ready to take on even the most expansive games without worrying about storage limits. Happy gaming, everyone!